Mask off. Bucket mask off. Mask off. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl No Fury, and I'm coming back to you with another video. If this is your first time here, welcome. Here we love all things makeup and all things beauty. If this isn't your first time here, you already know the deal, sis. Welcome back, big. Let's get it popping, okay? In today's video, we're going to talk about my top 5 favorite facial masks for acne prone / combination skin. Okay, so I know it's like super duper hard going into the drugstore and looking for face masks for acne prone skin / combination skin, mostly because I feel like a lot of masks are targeted with a bunch of like alcohols, drying agents, and they just don't work, or they're packed with like a ton of like over excessive oils that your skin just doesn't need. So these masks literally will help combat your acne prone / combination skin, whether it goes to moisture balance, getting rid of acne. I got you. So if you want to know what my favorite masks are, then just keep watching. So mask number 1 is going to be literally my favorite. I really wanted to start with my favorite mask of all time right now. My favorite masks are the Plump Collagen Boost masks, like bomb.com. Like, these are the best masks ever. So I'm all for a collagen mask. Collagen helps plump the skin. You know, I break out or I tend to pick at my acne. I feel like it helps my skin regenerate. So these are really good, make my skin super duper plump. You can get these at Target. I got a set of 3 for only $10. Usually Pixie is pretty expensive, you know, for a drugstore, but Pixie has really good stuff. I tried their milky serum and I love that. I just, you know, couldn't afford it to repurchase. It's like almost $30. So, but I love these. Definitely pick these up. This next face mask that I'm going to show is really good if your skin is breaking out and you have cystic bumps. Now, for my people that, you know, have those cystic bumps that really hurt, oh my gosh, I hate those so much because they just hurt and they're inflamed. This bad boy right here, if you aren't new to YouTube, the Aztec Indian Healing Clay Mask, this bad boy is literally everything. Like, add some apple cider vinegar to it or water, just don't mix it with metal because it will make it not work. This, however, I can say it is pretty aggressive. You can spot treat with this mask, so if you do have like one specific pimple, you can mix it up and put it on that one exact pimple. That's what I like to do, but I do like to use this like maybe once or twice a month to detox my skin completely. It does make your face pulsate like it says on the back. If your skin can take, you know, pretty aggressive products, try this. The only reason I use this is because, like I said, I only use it once or twice a month to detox and take everything completely out of my pores. You can get this from Walmart, Target. You can also get it on Amazon. It runs for about like $8 to $10, maybe $12. I'll link the in the description box a link to Amazon for this specific mask. So this next mask is a really good mask that I feel like is slept on, that people don't really talk about. This is the Superfood Vital Veggie Mask, and it looks like this. I like to use this mask to specifically recover. When I do a lot of makeup looks, I do 2 to 3 in one day. I definitely got to give my skin some type of TLC. My skin is like hella inflamed from wiping off the makeup multiple times. I have hella makeup in my pores. Actually, like a Sephora exclusive brand, I believe, to my knowledge. They do have their own website. The mask is like $30. This mask was given to me by another military wife, so thank you, girl. But yeah, you can get this at Sephora or on the LMS website. This mask is really good. If you like masks that are more on the organic, good ingredient side, you know, not full of a lot of silicones, you know, a lot of, you know, chemicals, which sometimes you do need chemicals for your skin, but I'll get on that in another video. It's a really good mask. It has broccoli oil, avocado oil, omega fatty acids, vitamin C. Now, it does tingle a little bit when you put it on, but it's supposed to do that, but it absorbs into your skin. Like, it's not, you do have to wipe off some of it by the end of the time frame. I think you keep it on for like 10 minutes, but after the 10 minutes you literally see it absorb into your skin, and it makes your skin feel so nice. I really like this mask. Definitely one of my holy grails. The next mask is the Formula 10.06 Soak Your Face Intensive Hydrating Full Face Sheet Mask. It looks like this. Come on, focus for me. Looks like this. This is a really good mask. It actually reminds me kind of of the Pixie mask. However, the Pixie mask kind of has like an actual thick kind of serum to it. This one is more lightweight. It does make your skin feel really, really nice though. This is another mask that I would use if your skin is like inflamed, or if you're in pain, or if your skin is dying of moisture. This mask is really good, and I believe it's cheaper than the Pixie. You get 3 for like $6 versus 10. I got these on Ulta.com. I believe you can also get these in store. I believe they sell them at like Rite Aid and stuff too, but don't quote me on that. But you can definitely get it from Ulta because that's where I got it from. I really, really like these masks. These sheet masks, you guys, you have to try putting them like in the fridge. A cold sheet mask is literally heaven for your skin. Like, it just feels so good, especially when you have painful acne. Oh my god, these are so good. The last mask, definitely one of my faves. I ended up trying this not even because, like, you know, I was looking for it. The brand actually reached out to me and I fell in love with the mask. This is my second one. This is the vitamin C clay mask by the brand Gleeman. Looks like this. So this is like kind of the texture of the Aztec Healing Clay Mask. It's made out of clay. It has turmeric, aloe vera, lang lang oil. It's a very organic mask. Like, it has a lot of really good ingredients. All these masks have pretty good ingredients except for the formula 10.6. They're kind of like on the border. But this one is really good. Like, as soon as you put it on, I like to use this mask specifically for like a glow. I like to use this to brighten up my skin. It's made specifically for hyperpigmentation, specifically because of like that turmeric. I tell you, if you use this for a week straight, skin will literally be bleeping gorgeous. Oh my gosh, like, and it's yellow. Like, how fun. How freaking fun. Come on. It's freaking yellow. But yeah, you literally just put this on, leave it on for about 15-20 minutes until it dries. I don't like to rinse it off. I like to take it off with like a warm damp towel, and your skin will have the prettiest glow. Now this mask does retail for, I believe, let me double check to be like 100% certain because I don't want to be wrong. So this retails for $39.99 on the Gleeman website. But if you really do want like a nice high-end mask, I highly recommend this one, you guys. It really does work. It really does help with your hyperpigmentation. It really is good for your skin. I'll link the website below in the description box if you do want to try this out. That's all my masks, you guys. I really do hope that y'all try at least one of these. These really have helped me along my acne prone, you know, combination skincare journey that I've been through, and obviously my skin has definitely come a very long way over the years. I know you guys know, like, y'all know my skin was a hot ass mess. So, but yeah, I really hope you guys try these. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and remember, stay furious.